DeFi projects, you are just childish. And you need to wake the hell up. You're not failing your marketing because your product sucks. You're failing because you're speaking in a vacuum. You dream about the next billion users. Meanwhile, you're still using words no one understands, such as staking, yielding, and liquidity mining. Like you're pitching to a Rust devs, not real people. Here's the truth. Most DeFi projects are brilliant on-chain, but broken funnels off-chain. If you want serious growth, market like a fintech startup, not a Discord mod. I'm gonna give you the 4 secrets in order to grow your DeFi product right now. Secret number 1, fix your funnel. You need to build landing and squeeze pages to warm up your traffic before they see your product. You'll be able to capture a point of contact to start talking to your leads. Twitter, Farcaster, Discord, Telegram, even email if needed. Discover your traffic getting in touch with him. Send message, enter the conversation. You need to get to know it before you'll be able to scale. Web 2 inbound tactics still work. You're just ignoring them. Secret number 2, run good old affiliation marketing. Stop the bounty clown show. Pay only per deposit, not clicks. Define your FTD and the associated CPA you can offer to your affiliate. CRM side, you'll be able to connect the wallet's data to a real affiliation tracking tool. You can understand the behavior of your traffic before the action. Yes, those tools exist also in Web3, just use them to scale consistently. Affiliation marketing is not dead. It's Web3 blind marketing that is taking you nowhere. Secret number 3, use real influence. Stop throwing tokens at faceless KOLs. Partner with people who speak mainstream finance. Stock investors, YouTube educators for instance, not Twitter anon threads. Secret number 4, build signal channels to make your traffic understand your product. Use Telegram for instance to show the real use case of your product with clear call to action, not memes. Move users to your product the second you drop a signal, and you will train your first real power users. DeFi doesn't need more white papers. It needs distribution. Speak human, capture attention, and convert degens into users. Forget the next billion and start with the next 100. Let's make DeFi understandable and usable again, and I guarantee you will grow